Okay, so in this circuit you need to find out what the value of I1, I2, this is actually I2, and the EMF are. And they've given that I3 is equals to 2 amperes. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to label I3, which is in this direction. And we know that from Kirchhoff's current law, that the current going in this junction, will add up together and go in this branch right here. So, current in this branch and this branch will add together, meet at this junction, and can become I3. Okay, so my first equation, it will be I1 plus I2 equals to I3, and we know I3 is already given as 2 amperes, so that's my first equation. Now, in order to write the other two equations, you need to determine the direction of the current in each loop. So here's loop 1 and here's loop 2. And if you notice, current is going down here, and of course it will come up. So current is going like this. And for this loop, current is going in this direction. Okay? Now, we're going to label the terminals of each resistor. So that means I'm going to find out which side of the resistor is positive and which side of the resistor is negative. And to do that, you just check, where is this current entering from? So it's entering here. That means it's positive. And it's leaving here, so it's negative. The current is entering from this terminal, so that would be positive. And it's leaving here, so it's negative. Same thing down here. My current is entering from this terminal, and it's leaving here. And current is entering and leaving here. And you're done with that. Now to write the equation. So, every time the current enters a component, you take it as positive. You take the voltage as positive. And any time the current leaves a component, you take the voltage as negative. So let's start in loop 1. So if I look at loop 1, start at the battery. So the battery current enters from the negative terminal. So that means I will write minus 15. Okay? Now current enters the positive terminal. So that means I will write plus 7 I1. So the voltage is positive. Keep going. Current enters the positive terminal. So that means my voltage is positive again. 5 I3 equals, so add up all the voltages and they should give you 0. This is according to Kirchhoff's voltage law, and that's my second equation. My third equation, just going to move this down a little bit, is in the second loop. So loop 2. Let's start with the EMF. So current enters in the negative terminal. So that means my EMF is negative. And then enters in from the plus side, so voltage is going to be positive 2 I2. And this resistor, current enters in the positive terminal, so its voltage is plus 5 I3. Come around and you're done. Equals to 0. And that's your third equation. So use 3 equations, and the value of the of the current I3 given to find out what I1, I2, and the EMF are. So hopefully that helps you guys. Bye.